Alright, this is setting up the erosion practical for One Science with my lovely assistant. Woohoo! Okay, so we have three different types of erosion here. We have 3/4 of an ice cream container of sand, one or about a third of soil, a 50-50 mix of sand, soil, and 100% soil. And this is how we made our hills. We used this very technical instrument. And what did you do?
So what I did, just put the mixture down into the bucket and then pushed it up against the side.
And did you just leave it nice and soft once you got it into a nice bank?
After that, we just pat down the top so it's compressed down a little bit.
All right, now what we're going to do is on half of it, we're going to plant it with plant material to show that there's some ground cover, and the other half we're going to leave it with leave it free. So we'll start the video again when we do that. All right, so now we've planted up our materials. So we've got half with plants and the other half without plants, and you can see that in all three containers. So roughly it's 3 rows by 3 or 3 rows by 4. Now we're going to simulate the rain coming down. So we've got 80 mils of water being dropped over the back of the spoon. And we've decided to keep the spoon in the same area. It's up to you to decide and the kids to decide, are they going to move the spoon or how fast they pour the water, how much water they pour. But whatever they do on one side, they need to do on the other. All right, so that was the first 40. Here's the next 40. So as you can see, now with the next 40, we're starting to get water seeping out of the soil. So we're going to work out maybe a bit later how much water we need. It might be we need to put more than 80 mils through. Okay, now let's go to our unsoiled part, or unplanted part. So what you can see there is we've definitely got pitting in the soil. We don't have any erosion of the bank yet. Here we come. So I think what we're looking for water, maybe double this. We might end up having to put 160 ml of water through. All right, so that was the soil mixture. Now we're going to go over to the 50-50 and do